Hello, I'm back again with another mini video about the use of can, could or should, particularly in the context of writing the email, which is part 1 in the Cambridge Pet exam, okay? So let's have a look at our 3 subjects, or not. Oh, here they come. Okay, so can mean many things in many contexts, but I would strongly suggest in the PET writing task, email writing task, you use can to express ability, okay? So I can swim, I can ride a motorbike, I can speak English, I can't speak Spanish, that kind of thing, okay? The next one would be could. And I suggest in this context that you use could to express possibility. So we could go walking in the mountains, or we couldn't go to the museum on Mondays because it's closed. Okay? And then the third would be should. And I suggest that you use should in this context to give advice, okay? Then your uses are very clear. Let's have a look at an example. So I've written a letter, and the letter goes, Dear Martina, can you speak Italian? If you can't, it doesn't matter. I'll be your guide when you come to Turin. There are lots of things we could do together. If you like museums, we could visit the Mole Antonelliana at the weekend. It's brilliant. And you should definitely see the Palazzo Reale. It's really beautiful. I could take you there too. I can't wait to see you. Let me know when you've booked the tickets. Best wishes, Amy. So now let's look at how I've used can, could and should in these. So the ability is expressed by can you speak Italian? If you can't, it doesn't matter. Ok, quindi sarebbe ma tu sai parlare italiano? Se non puoi, non importa. Okay, it's using can particularly to express if you can or you can't do something, if you have the ability. The next one is possibility expressed by could. Quindi è possibile che possiamo fare questo. Yeah, so there are lots of things we could do together. We could visit the Mole. I could take you there. So there is the possibility to do that. And the last one is should. It seems to take a long time for these things to come up. Yeah, so the should expresses advice. So you should definitely see the Palazzo Reale. It's really beautiful. Okay, you could say you should walk around the centre of Turin, or you should go and see the mountains. You should try skiing if you haven't skied. At the moment, you should stay at home. Anyway, that's everything. So when you write your next letter for our classes, or if you're watching this for any other reason, then hopefully the 3 ways that you can use those things to suggest activities is clear. Okay.